Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60, and today I'm going to do a full face get ready with me. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this easy makeup look, just stay tuned. I liked the It CC+Matte so much I ordered my own from QVC, so now I don't have to put a little star by it since I went ahead and ordered my own. I ordered the light medium. And I'm going to go ahead and put just half a pump. I haven't really gotten all the air out of, oops, that's a whole pump. And I'm just going to do one side of my face on camera and the other side. I sent something out in the community tab. Some of you got it. I think you can only get it when you are using your iPhone. And I asked if you would rather see full face or eyes. And most of you wanted to see the full face. So I still haven't found anything else that I like any better than my fingers to apply. So right here, since I don't use under eye concealer, I just start dabbing it here and working it down here. And I use the back of my hand as a palette. I am not sure that even my skin is normal. And I can see myself using this year round, but I'm not going to put up, and I'm still going to use my regular It's CC cream with a 50 SPF. But I just kind of work this in my area. And with this lighting, my face does look shiny. But we're going to see what we can do about that. And this is the area right here where I have some broken capillaries. I bruised my face twice yesterday, right here and right here. I had an ink pen and it was in my hand, and I put my head down and it bruised me right there, and then it bruised me right there. And like what I kind of do when it comes to my larger pores, and I do have pores, is I kind of go in a circle. But anyway, and I'd get my earlobe. And with this, my complexion, I have a lot more pink undertones. So I always like to go with something with a little yellow. I almost ordered the neutral beige, but I'm glad I ordered this one. To me, it is a perfect color. So the next thing I'm going to do, and I can go ahead and do both at one time, since I'm using all It Cosmetics, but one thing, I'm using their brush and everything I have purchased myself. And all I'm going to do is just go right here and put some in. I don't even have to go back into it to do it. Sometimes I'll just take what's left and kind of darken that a little bit. But that's it. And this is the one item that is not from It Cosmetics. It's my Tarte 360 Creaseless Primer. That's how much I use. That's such a tiny amount, and I put it on both fingers, and you can see it is clear. And if I don't have this on, nothing stays, and it just takes that tiny amount. But I've always had that problem for as long as I can remember. Just pat that in there. So that's pretty clear. I'm sorry I had that right in front of me. This is my first get ready with me in this room, so it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to use my Mally Pore Defender today because it's all It Cosmetics. So I got this brush in that Today's Special Value, and the powder. I haven't opened it up because I still have some. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on my face. And one thing, I'm going to put it on my eyes. And back in the day, so I'm getting 50 plus skin protection on my eyes. And back in the day, I loved makeup, and we just didn't have hardly any makeup choices in makeup. One of the things that we all did was we powdered our eyelashes, and that was our primer, and it did work. So I don't get any oils close to my eyelashes. I don't get any foundation. I don't get the primer, but if a little powder gets on, that's fine. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this older It Cosmetic brush. This isn't the 4-in-1, and I'm just going to go right in here. Just to kind of lighten that up a little, and right in the corner. And then I'm going to apply my mascara. And every time I open a new one, I put this on it. I could use fingernail polish, but then I forget, did I polish the new one or did I polish the old one. So I only have one tube of mascara open at a time. And this is probably going to be the last day I used it. I started to open up a new one, but I wanted to show you. I think I've kept it 3.5 months. And I am on auto delivery from QVC. But mine isn't gunky. I think it's because I use it all the time. And without curling my eyelashes, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's one eye right there. And I love it because, and I don't even have to go back in, and I'm going to do these lashes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. If I wanted to have like va-va-voom lashes, I would use more coats, but I'm just kind of doing a regular look. So my next step, I have my lips. I don't have anything on my lips. I don't put on anything in the morning. I'm just going to go straight in with my ruby slippers, and that's how I kind of wore this one down. Different lipsticks I wear down differently, but I love this color. And then I'll do my eyes. And this is their blurred lines, and I do think it works. I definitely think it blurs the lip lines. So now I'm ready to do my eyes. Someone had requested that I do a look using this from an older video of mine. And this is, I'll show you the front of it, and then I'll put, it's the Romantics palette from It Cosmetics. There is a color, a shade of green in here that I absolutely love. And it's pretty, I think it's kind of a unique color. So this will be my #1 color. And I'm going to use my favorite It Cosmetics brush. And it's a 4-in-1. And I have bought a ton of these and given them as gifts. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the green. And we'll go from there. This is #1. And I have this on the most packed, where it's the densest. And I'm just going to go all over my lid. And there isn't any shine or shimmer. But I just go all over my lid. And you'll be able to see that even though this is dense, it doesn't move my eyelashes. I mean, it doesn't move my hoods around very much. And I'm all for not moving my hoods. So now I have on the green. And I'm going to take it on the fluffiest and just kind of work it. I work mine almost all the way up to the top. Well, in fact, I do. I just kind of work it all the way up there. And then going to the, that's the most fluffy. This is the next. I'm going to go into this color right here. And this is a #2 color. And I always put my head back and look down. And I want to get that bone right there. I want to kind of diminish that. And then I'm going to do the same over here. And then I'm going to use this purple that is right on top of it, and that's #3 color. And I am just going to kind of stamp a wing and bring it over. And I kind of call that a wedge. It just kind of lifts the eye just a little bit. And then I'm going to go into the darker, it's almost like a navy blue, and go right next to it, and that's a #4. And I'll mark that there. Right there. And press it. And right there. And see how that kind of just goes down. It's like an elongated wedge. Oops, it'd help if I turned it the right way. And then I'm going to use my superhero eyeliner that I do love. It'll stay on forever. But I don't have to work hard to get it off. My philosophy made simple takes it off, and it doesn't strip my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this down here and press and drag and press and drag. And I'm not even going to make a wing. Well, I will, because I just go up like that. And like that, and you have a wing. And I do love a wing. And you know what? I don't care if they're in style or out of style. Anything that brings my eyes up on the side is I'm happy for. If you're still here, this is going to be a giveaway and you deserve one. This is probably the last time I'll do a get ready with me in this room. Here's a better picture of the Romantics palette from It Cosmetics. I purchased one for you all, for somebody to win. And along with this palette, I'm going to be giving away a 4-in-1 eyeshadow brush. I have purchased both of these items and I would like to give it away. So, to be in this international giveaway, you need to be 18 years old or older, subscribe to my channel before it goes live, leave a comment in the section below, and just tell me another channel that you enjoy watching. That way we can kind of share the love. This giveaway will close in 4 days, and I just want to wish you all luck, and I will announce the winner in an upcoming video. I have 2 of these. One of these I purchased, and one of them I ordered from QVC, and it's really a good deal. I don't know if they still have it or not. I love this brush, and this is the Confidence in Your Glow, and here's what it looks like. I tell you, the lights aren't going to be really great here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and I'm going to get a little of the pink and a little of the brown and just put it on my cheeks here. Just the pink and the brown. We'll see how that looks. And then I like to do it up here. But I love this brush. Now I just take the brown and go underneath here, because that definitely makes me look better. So if I want to do a little highlight, I'll just go right in here. I should be using my mirror. And just put it there and there. And there, and there. I know I'm looking shiny on the film because it's dark and I have lights on and they're reflecting on me. But I promise when I look in the mirror, I'm not shiny. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It is all good, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for everything you do. I really appreciate it.